Hey guys, just a follow-up of machinist tool lot that I bought the other day there. See, we got a bunch of these big shanks there. Whole bunch of them. Just some random hand tools. Lawson adjustable wrench. Some Starrett pieces there. I got a lot of this stuff in the process of cleaning it up. You know, we got some ball bearings there. There's always a huge pile of Allen keys. Random junk drawer. Some steel. A bunch of that. Bunch of regular drill bits. Decent quality ones. A bunch of random machining pieces. And just some other random stuff. All the good stuff I brought inside to sift through it. I got a bunch of taps and high-speed drill bits, but just a quick follow-up there. More to come soon. Thanks. Take care.